top CRM software for small sales teams. Identify what your team really needs, considering user needs, lead tracking, and automation. This helps you find a CRM that fits your workflow perfectly. Top options: HubSpot CRM is free and super beginner-friendly. Pipedrive offers a fantastic visual pipeline management experience. Zoho CRM is highly customizable with tons of integrations. Fresh Sales comes with built-in phone, email, and chat features. Sign up and import your contacts and deals. Most platforms let you do this easily with CSV imports or email integrations. Set up your sales pipeline with stages like lead qualification and closing. Add automated reminders to keep everything organized. Train your team and use built-in dashboards to track performance. The right CRM can really streamline your workflow and enhance communication.